Hello everyone, we are going to see about order by and distinct class. The order by and distinct class are used in MySQL queries to sort and remove duplicates from the result set respectively. Let's explore each of these class with example. First we are going to see about order by. The order by class is used to sort the result set based on one or more columns. By default, sorting is done in ascending order, but you can specify ascending order or descending order as well. First, I will write the syntax of how to do a order by. For that, first we want to use select column 1, comma column 2 from table name, and we want to give an order by, and column 1. Here we want to give either ascending or descending. Ascending or descending based on the requirement, comma column 2, same like that, ascending or descending. Like this we want to give. The order by cross is used to sort the result set. Column 1 and column 2 specify the columns to sort by descending or ascending, specify descending order or ascending order. Now I will show you how to write a code. Suppose we have a table called employee with columns employee ID, employee name and salary, and you want to retrieve employee sorted by their salary in descending order. Now I will show you the code. For that I am going to use select star from employee order by salary. If I press C, we are getting the table based on the salary 60,000, 58,000, 55,000. See, it was the employee ID is also shuffled based on the salary. It was in descending order. If we want to see in ascending order, we want to change descending to ascending as ASC. If I see we are getting 48,000, 50,000, 52,000, and values also sorting based on the salary. Like this we want to use order by. Next we are going to see about distinct class. The distinct class is used to remove duplicate rows from the result set, leaving only unique row. For this I will going to show you the syntax how to write a distinct code. For that I am going to use select distinct, and here we have to give a column 1, column 2, and from table name. Now I will explain the distinct. This keyword removes duplicate rows from the result set. Column 1, column 2 specify the column to be considered when determining uniqueness. Suppose we have a table called orders with columns customer ID and product ID, and you want to retrieve unique combination of customer's ID and product ID. For this I have created an order table. Now I will show you how the order table looks like. Select star from order. if I run, see like this, I have created an order table with order id, customer id and product id with 10 values. By using create table, I have created an order, and using insert into, I have added the values into the table. Like that you can also create. Now I will show you how to write a distinct using the order table. For this I am going to give select distinct customer id and product id from orders. This create a distinct combination of customer id and product id from the order table, removing duplicate rows. Like this we will do. Next, with this I am ending my video. Thank you.